Hello and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks, it means a lot. So right here we have a backyard find. It's been sitting for about 4.5, 5 years. We're really excited to get started on it, and we're really excited to show everybody what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and reveal it. There it is. It's a 1990 Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive. It's complete. All the parts are here with it. Like I said, it's been sitting for quite some time, collecting dust and everything else. It's in pretty good shape. It has some rust on it. It has a set of keys for it. Flip up lights. Okay. Where does this thing go? Alright. Like I said, all the pieces are here. The cylinder head was removed. Some valves got bent. It's got head studs. I believe it's got CP pistons. It's an amazing vehicle. All the pieces are here. Like I said. Let's see what the inside looks like. Alright. Not too bad. There's definitely mold and water. Let me get a light on. Yep, there's definitely water in there. So, stay tuned. This is going to be an exciting build. These are pretty rare, and there's not many of them left on the road. Ooh. It smells horrible. That was gross. Yeah, it's filled with water. So, we get all the water out of it. Get it cleaned up. It smells pretty bad in there. Hopefully everything's alright. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.